Welcome to Compare Core, guys. Today, I'm bringing you the top 5 dishwashers of 2025. Machines that save you money, save you time, and honestly, just wash better. If you're looking for the right dishwasher for your kitchen, you're in the right place. No sponsorship nonsense, no hype, just real performance, real pros and cons, and everything you need to know before you buy. All right, if you're ready, let's dive straight into the top 5 dishwashers of 2025. Let's go! All right, guys, starting off strong with number 1, the Miele fully integrated smart dishwasher. This model is basically the definition of premium. First off, the cleaning performance is absolutely insane. Even on the quick, intense wash cycle, it handled our toughest, baked-on, nightmare-level messes and still came out with dishes that were squeaky clean and super shiny. One thing that really separates this machine from the rest is Miele's AutoDos detergent system. This thing is wild. It uses the Miele power disc, and the dishwasher automatically dispenses the perfect amount of detergent based on soil level and your water hardness. One disc lasts up to 20 washes. And if you want to keep it simple, you can just add your own detergent each time. Controls? Super easy. Racks? Smooth, adjustable, and honestly so well designed it feels like the dishwasher loads itself. And design-wise, you get that clean, recessed handle and even a panel-ready option if you want it to blend perfectly with your cabinets. Yeah, it's pricey, and it's not the quietest Miele out there at 42 dBA, but with performance like this, the value is seriously hard to beat. Energy Star certified, Wi-Fi connected, and built like a tank. If you want premium results every single wash, guys, this is the one. All right, guys, coming in at number 2, we've got the LG front control dishwasher with SenseClean. And listen, for a dishwasher that's under $500, this thing is kind of wild. First thing you'll notice, a full stainless steel interior and a fingerprint-resistant front panel. At this price point, that's rare. The control panel lights up clean and simple, super easy to use, nothing confusing, nothing extra. Now, performance-wise, this thing surprised me, bro. It handled tough messes like a champ, even got lipstick off cup rims, which a lot of expensive models struggle with. And LG's Flex Zone feature lets you boost wash intensity exactly where your dirtiest dishes are. Plus, the night dry option helps release steam overnight so your dishes actually come out dry, not wet and foggy. It's got great capacity too, big racks, big utensil space. But heads up, no third rack, no folding tines, and yeah, it's a bit louder than premium dishwashers. But for the price, man, it's a steal. What I love? The price, huge capacity, strong cleaning power. What I don't love? No extra racks, and it's not the quietest. All right, guys, coming in at number 3, we've got the KitchenAid PrintShield stainless steel top control dishwasher. And let me tell you, this thing is a total kitchen flex. It's practical, powerful, and honestly, one of the best looking dishwashers you can buy. First off, the design is crazy clean. That PrintShield stainless steel finish actually resists fingerprints and smudges, so it stays looking fresh even if your family treats the kitchen like a war zone. And the sleek top control layout gives it that premium built-in vibe. Yeah, you gotta open the door to see the controls, but trust me, it's worth it for the clean look. Where this thing really shines is the rack setup. It's stupidly customizable. You get a deep third rack that fits an extra 5 to 6 glasses in multiple cups, plus an adjustable middle rack with stemware holders, perfect for wine glasses. And the lower racks have adjustable rows, so you can load awkward pots, pans, and all those weird-shaped cookware pieces. Now, the big win, drying performance. In lab tests, this thing crushed it. Top-tier drying scores. No dripping cups, no wet bowls, no soggy plastics. And the Pro Wash cycle automatically senses soil level and adjusts time plus temperature so you always get the best clean without thinking about it. Why we like it? Customizable racks, sleek design, fingerprint resistance, insane drying performance. What's not ideal? You can't see the controls unless the door's open, but honestly, small price for that premium aesthetic. Perfect pick if you want something stylish, powerful, and super functional. Number 4. Bosch Benchmark Series 24-inch dishwasher with PrecisionControl. First off, the PrecisionControl system is wild. You can literally customize the wash intensity in each quadrant of the lower rack, light, medium, heavy, however you want. So finally, you don't have to fight your family about where the dirty dishes should go. Just throw things where they fit and dial in the cleaning power. Done. Easy. And you can tweak all that from the controls or even from the Bosch Home Connect app, which is super clean and super intuitive. And bro, this machine is quiet, like 38 dBA quiet. You could literally run a full cycle and still hear your own thoughts. It's also Alexa and Google Home compatible, and during lab tests, it loaded, cleaned, and dried amazingly well. Speaking of drying, this thing uses a hidden chamber of minerals to pull in moist air and turn it into heat for better drying. Even plastics come out dry, which is rare. That's why it actually won a Good Housekeeping Cleaning and Organizing Award. Downsides? Honestly, the main one is that it doesn't have a child lock on the controls. That's kind of weird for a premium machine, but other than that, it's a beast. What I like? Insanely quiet, great capacity, customizable cleaning zones, killer drying performance, smart home friendly. What I don't like? No child lock. That's it. Guys, this one's premium, but it absolutely earns its spot on the list. All right, guys, coming in at number 5, we've got the JennAir Rise Top Control built-in dishwasher. And yo, this thing is basically built for anyone who loves cooking and needs a machine that can keep up. First off, the inside of this thing is crazy well designed. You get a top-tier rack that actually holds cups, bowls, and smaller items without cramming everything together. Then you've got special knife caddies, extra utensil holders, and a huge flatware basket with oversized sections. It's honestly one of the most chef-friendly setups I've seen. In testing, this dishwasher handled filthy loads like a champ, and at 39 dBA, it's still insanely quiet, like you barely notice it's running. The controls are super intuitive, everything is easy to load, and the third rack is perfect for spatulas, tongs, and all those weird-shaped tools. What I love? The storage design is next level, tons of room for long utensils and whisper-quiet performance. What I don't love? For this price, the fact that the finish isn't fingerprint resistant kinda hurts, but performance-wise, it's a beast. All right, guys, that wraps up our list of the top 5 dishwashers of 2025. If this video helped you out even a little bit, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another comparison from CompareCore. Got questions? Maybe you're stuck between 2 models or want to see a review on a different appliance? Drop a comment down below. I read every single one of them. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.